a place where nature reigns supreme and adventure awaits around every corner. Picture snow-capped peaks piercing the heavens, their reflections shimmering in pristine waters. Imagine emerald valleys carved by ancient glaciers where waterfalls cascade like tears from the gods themselves. This, my friends, is New Zealand, a land ripe for exploration and wonder. Our first destination takes us deep into the heart of Fiordland National Park, a place where the very earth seems to breathe. Carved over millennia by the relentless force of glaciers, Milford Sound stands as a testament to the raw power of nature. Towering cliffs draped in emerald green rise from the depths of the sound, their peaks often shrouded in mist and cloud, lending an air of ethereal beauty. Imagine yourselves aboard a boat, gliding through the serene waters, dwarfed by the sheer scale of the surrounding landscape. Waterfalls cascade from dizzying heights, crashing into the sound below with a roar that echoes through the valleys. Look closely, and you might spot playful dolphins dancing in the wake of the boat, or seals basking in the sun on rocky outcrops. Keep your eyes peeled for the elusive Fiordland-crested penguin, a rare and precious sight. For the truly adventurous, kayaking offers a unique perspective on Milford Sound. Paddle through tranquil waters, dwarfed by the immensity of the surrounding cliffs. Feel the spray of waterfalls on your skin and listen to the symphony of birdsong echoing through the air. Here, in the heart of this natural wonder, you'll find a sense of peace and tranquility that is both humbling and profound. As the day draws to a close, the setting sun paints the sky in a riot of colors, casting long shadows across the fjord. It's a sight that will stay with you long after you've left this magical place, a reminder of the awe-inspiring beauty that New Zealand has to offer. Next, we venture to Queenstown, nestled on the shores of the glistening Lake Wakatipu and framed by the majestic Remarkables mountain range. This vibrant town pulsates with an infectious energy, a siren call to thrill seekers and adventurers from across the globe. If it's adrenaline you seek, then look no further. Queenstown is the birthplace of bungee jumping, and here you can take the plunge from dizzying heights, the turquoise waters of the Kawarau River rushing to meet you. For those who prefer to keep their feet on solid ground, the options are equally exhilarating. Hurtling down mountains on a mountain bike, navigating treacherous rapids on a whitewater rafting expedition, or soaring through the air on a zip line, Queenstown has something to get your heart racing. But Queenstown is not just about high-octane adventures. The town itself exudes a charming and sophisticated atmosphere. Stroll along the lakefront, soaking up the stunning views, or explore the bustling streets, brimming with boutique shops, art galleries, and inviting cafes. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the lake, indulge in world-class dining experiences, savoring the region's renowned Pinot Noir wines. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or seeking a taste of excitement, Queenstown promises an unforgettable experience. It's a place where you can push your limits, embrace the unknown, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Prepare to be captivated by the raw power of nature as we journey to Rotorua, a land where the earth speaks in whispers of steam and the scent of sulfur hangs heavy in the air. Here, geothermal wonders paint the landscape in a surreal palette of colors. Bubbling mud pools gurgle and spit, and geysers erupt in towering plumes of scalding water. Step into a world untouched by time at Tapuia, a geothermal wonderland and living Maori cultural center. Witness the awe-inspiring Pohutu geyser erupt, sending a column of boiling water high into the sky, a testament to the immense forces at work beneath our feet. Marvel at the vibrant colors of the champagne pool, its waters a kaleidoscope of turquoise, emerald, and gold. And listen to the ancient stories and legends shared by the indigenous Maori people. Immerse yourselves in the warmth of the Polynesian spa, famed for its therapeutic mineral-rich waters. Relax and rejuvenate as you soak in steaming pools, surrounded by lush greenery, and feel the stress of everyday life melt away. As the sun sets, casting an ethereal glow over the geothermal landscape, indulge in a traditional Maori hangi feast, where food is cooked underground using the earth's natural heat. Rotorua is a place of profound cultural significance and a sensory overload in the best possible way. It's a place where you can connect with the raw power of nature, delve into the rich history of the Maori people, and experience a side of New Zealand that is both ancient and exhilarating. Our journey now takes us to the heart of the North Island, to Tongariro National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where volcanic peaks pierce the sky and ancient forests whisper tales of old. This dramatic landscape, sculpted by fire and ice over millennia, offers a glimpse into the very heart of New Zealand's raw, untamed beauty. Lace up your hiking boots and embark on the Tongariro Alpine Crossing, often hailed as one of the best one-day hikes in the world. Traverse a lunar-like landscape, passing by steaming volcanic craters, emerald-hued lakes, and cascading waterfalls. The views from the summit of Mount Tongariro are simply breathtaking, offering panoramic vistas of the surrounding volcanic plateau. But Tongariro is not just for seasoned hikers. A network of well-maintained trails caters to all levels of fitness, from gentle walks through ancient beech forests to challenging climbs up volcanic slopes. Keep an eye out for native birdlife, including the elusive kiwi, a symbol of New Zealand's unique biodiversity. In winter, the landscape transforms into a winter wonderland with Mount Ruapahu, an active volcano, becoming a popular destination for skiing and snowboarding. Whether you choose to conquer the slopes or simply marvel at the snow-capped peaks from the comfort of a cozy lodge, Tongariro National Park offers an unforgettable experience in the heart of New Zealand's volcanic heartland. We now venture to Auckland, New Zealand's largest city, a vibrant metropolis perched on a sparkling harbor, where the urban pulse meets the tranquility of the Pacific Ocean. Known as the City of Sails, Auckland's skyline is a captivating blend of modern skyscrapers and the graceful mass of sailboats bobbing in the harbor. Begin your Auckland adventure at the iconic Sky Tower, the tallest freestanding structure in the Southern Hemisphere. Ascend to the observation deck for breathtaking panoramic views of the city, the harbor, and the surrounding volcanic peaks. For the truly adventurous, take the plunge and experience the thrill of a sky jump, leaping from the tower while securely harnessed. Explore the city's diverse neighborhoods, each with its own unique character. Wander through the bustling shops and cafes of Ponsonby, discover the trendy boutiques and art galleries of Parnell, or soak up the bohemian atmosphere of Devonport. No trip to Auckland is complete without a visit to the Auckland Domain, the city's oldest park, home to sprawling lawns, duck ponds, and the Auckland War Memorial Museum, which houses a fascinating collection of Maori and Pacific Island artifacts. As the sun begins its descent, head to the Viaduct Harbor, a lively waterfront precinct brimming with bars, restaurants, and super yachts. Enjoy a waterfront dinner, savoring fresh seafood and local wines, while watching the sunset paint the sky in a symphony of colors. Auckland is a city that effortlessly blends urban sophistication with a laid-back Kiwi charm, offering something for everyone. Return with us now to the untamed wilderness of Fiordland National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature. Here, amidst a labyrinth of ancient rainforests, towering waterfalls cascade into pristine fiords, their dark waters reflecting the emerald embrace of the surrounding mountains. Venture beyond the iconic Milford Sound and discover the hidden gems of Doubtful Sound, a place of profound silence and ethereal beauty. Embark on a scenic cruise through this pristine fjord, dwarfed by towering granite cliffs, and marvel at the cascading waterfalls that plunge from dizzying heights. Keep your eyes peeled for playful dolphins, fur seals basking on rocky outcrops, and the rare and endangered Fiordland crested penguin. For a truly immersive experience, embark on an overnight cruise through Dusky Sound, the largest and arguably the most remote of Fiordland's fjords. Here, surrounded by an almost primeval silence, you can truly appreciate the raw beauty and untouched wilderness of this remarkable region. Kayaking enthusiasts will be in their element, paddling through tranquil waters, dwarfed by the immensity of the surrounding landscape. Fiordland National Park is a place of profound peace and tranquility, a sanctuary for both the soul and the imagination. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature in its most primal form, a reminder of the awesome power and enduring beauty of the natural world. Prepare to be enchanted by the turquoise waters and idyllic islands of the Bay of Islands, a subtropical paradise located in the far north of New Zealand. Here, sheltered coves give way to secluded beaches, while emerald hills roll down to meet the sparkling Pacific Ocean. Embark on a scenic cruise through the labyrinthine waterways of the Bay of Islands, soaking up the sun and the breathtaking scenery. Discover hidden coves perfect for swimming and snorkeling, and marvel at the majestic hole in the rock, a natural rock archway carved by the relentless forces of wind and water. History buffs will be captivated by the Waitangi Treaty Grounds, where in 1840, the founding document of New Zealand was signed between the British Crown and Maori chiefs. Explore the museum, learn about the significance of this historic agreement, and gain a deeper understanding of New Zealand's rich cultural heritage. For a truly unforgettable experience, try your hand at big game fishing. The waters off the Bay of Islands are teeming with marlin, tuna, and kingfish, offering anglers the chance to test their skills against some of the ocean's most prized catches. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow across the bay, indulge in the freshest seafood imaginable, a true taste of this maritime paradise. Our journey now takes us to Wellington, New Zealand's vibrant and eclectic capital city, nestled between a sparkling harbor and rolling green hills. Known for its thriving art scene, world-class coffee, and compact walkable center, Wellington offers a captivating blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. Begin your Wellington adventure at Te Papa Tongariro Museum of New Zealand, a world-renowned museum that tells the story of Aotearoa, New Zealand, through innovative and interactive exhibits. Explore the country's rich Maori heritage, delve into the natural wonders of the land, and discover the stories that have shaped this nation's identity. Ride the iconic Wellington Cable Car, a charming funicular railway that climbs from the heart of the city to the Wellington Botanic Garden, offering stunning views of the city, harbor, and surrounding hills. Explore the garden's diverse collection of native and exotic plants and enjoy a picnic on the lawns while soaking up the panoramic vistas. No trip to Wellington is complete without experiencing the city's thriving craft beer scene. Wellington is home to a plethora of craft breweries, each with its own unique character and flavor profile. Embark on a craft beer tour, sample a variety of brews, and discover why Wellington is considered a mecca for beer enthusiasts. Prepare to be captivated by the golden beaches, turquoise waters, and lush forests of Abel Tasman National Park, a coastal paradise located at the top of the South Island. Here, where granite cliffs meet the Tasman Sea, you'll discover a world of secluded coves, pristine beaches, and abundant marine life. Embark on the Abel Tasman Coast Track, one of New Zealand's great walks, and hike through lush native forests across golden sand beaches and past secluded coves. The track offers a variety of options, from short walks to multi-day hikes, allowing you to tailor your experience to your fitness level and time constraints. Kayaking is the perfect way to explore the park's hidden coves and inlets. Paddle through crystal-clear waters, marvel at the abundant marine life, including seals, dolphins, and penguins, and discover secluded beaches perfect for a picnic lunch. For a truly unforgettable experience, opt for a guided kayak tour, and let experienced guides lead you to the park's hidden gems. As the sun begins its descent, casting a golden glow across the Tasman Sea, find a secluded spot on the beach and watch as the sky explodes in a riot of colors. Abel Tasman National Park is a place of peace and tranquility, a sanctuary for both the body and the soul. Our final destination takes us to Napier, a city frozen in time, a vibrant testament to the Art Deco architectural style that swept the world in the 1930s. Rebuilt after a devastating earthquake in 1931, Napier stands today as a unique and captivating blend of architectural heritage and modern-day charm. Take a leisurely stroll through the city center, marveling at the intricate facades of buildings adorned with geometric patterns, stylized motifs, and vibrant colors. Don't miss the iconic Hawke's Bay Opera House, a masterpiece of Art Deco design, or the imposing T&G building, with its soaring tower and intricate details. But Napier is not just about architecture. The Hawke's Bay region is renowned for its world-class wineries producing some of New Zealand's finest Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc, and Pinot Noir. Embark on a wine tour, sample the region's finest vintages, and indulge in gourmet food pairings amidst the rolling vineyards. For a unique perspective on the city, hop on a vintage car tour. Cruise along Napier's charming streets in style, learning about the city's history and architecture from knowledgeable guides. As the sun sets, casting a warm glow over the Art Deco buildings, raise a toast to Napier, a city that has risen from the ashes to become a unique and captivating destination. As we bid farewell to this land of enchantment, let the memories of towering mountains, shimmering fjords, and untamed wilderness linger in your hearts. From the adrenaline-pumping adventures of Queenstown to the geothermal wonders of Rotorua, New Zealand has unveiled its treasures, offering a glimpse into a world untouched by time. Remember the warmth of the Maori welcome, the taste of fresh seafood pulled straight from the ocean, and the sound of laughter echoing through ancient forests. These are the experiences that will stay with you long after you've returned home, a reminder of the magic that awaits in this